Hello everybody, I am here with a special Erin Condren box. This is the seasonal surprise box and I am so excited. This is a beautiful box and I didn't know it was showing up today, so I'm super excited and I had to make a video right away. I have not peeked inside, so we can just jump right into it. First off, the box is beautiful. It came in very good condition and it's very soft and a beautiful color. And I can't tell you how excited I am. The only thing I know about this is, I think from the hint is that there will be a pineapple related item. And other than that, I think that's it. I know that there have been some spoilers from like some PR boxes that went out of this box, and I have retained from looking at those. Typically, I always look at those even though I get this box. But because I wanted to open this on camera, I decided to not look at anything, so this could be an authentic unboxing. So I'm so excited. Let's take a look. First, look at the top. Be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. Also, there was a sneak peek that I had no idea what it was, so I'm excited to figure out what that was. Oh my gosh, okay. Whew, this is exciting. Is this gonna tell me? Oh, I don't wanna look at that. Okay, so this is gonna tell me what's inside. I don't wanna look at that. Okay, let's see. Should we go with this because we can kind of already see? Okay. Oh, I love tumblers. This is what, okay. Let's see. Oh, cute. It's an Erin Condren tumbler. And you can see it's like her, you know, like asterisk star logo that she has on everything. It's kind of a silvery metallic color rather than a white. And I mean, this is just a standard kind of basic plastic, but you know, it's simple with a pink straw. What's this say? Erin Condren designer tumbler. Care instructions. Not recommended for hot liquids, hand wash only, not microwave safe, do not freeze, BPA free plastic. So obviously this is best for some cold liquids, which makes sense. This is the summer box. But I do like it. I do love tumblers. I use these often with my ice water drinks. I honestly don't drink a lot of cold beverages except water, ice water. But this is really cute. I do like the color combination, so that's cute. Okay, on to the next item. Ooh. Ooh, oh, ooh, is this gonna be sunglasses? Like, what is this? Okay. Okay, wow. Oh, this feels fancy. Oh my gosh. Hello, sunshine. This has gotta be sunglasses. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. It's just a sunglasses case. Hello, sunshine. It's literally just a sunglasses case with a like microfiber cloth. Okay, to be honest, that was slightly anticlimactic because I thought there would be sunglasses inside of it. This is the mid-century circles design. Microfiber cloth, which I mean, sure is nice. You can't have enough of those. And this is really a beautiful material because it's like a suede soft material with a foiled hello sunshine. So that's beautiful, but I guess I honestly would have expected to have sunglasses in there. Erin Condren logo inside. Okay, sure. That's nice. Okay, we have Erin Condren elastic hair ties, which are also nice. These are pretty useful. A blue, a mid-century circle design, and a sparkly like white one. This one has the little asterisk design gold metal piece. That's nice. These are always nice to have around. And then these are colorful dual tip markers. Okay. Are they highlighters or? Set includes neon pink, neon orange, and neon yellow. So that's just a fine tip. Oh, and then like a more full tip. Okay, honestly, they look like a marker. I mean, they could probably be like a highlighter, but they don't specifically say highlighter. Oh, these are beautiful. These are, oh, I love the foil. I am loving these like foil deco sheets she's been doing. Let's see. So, okay, so this is like the tumbler we got. Dare to Dream. Awesome. Hello Sunshine, which is essentially what's on here. The pineapple. Camera. These are really pretty leaves. Shine. Oh, love. I really like that. So this is just really beautiful. I just love the foil. I really like how she's been doing these lately, not gonna lie. So these stickers, I'm really all for lately. Is there just one sheet? Oh, no, look at, there's even more. Okay. And these ones are just more functional rather than more of the deco. Also foiled, some functional flags, checklist ones, you know, the circles, teardrop. It's a good day, enjoy every moment, let's do this. Are those washi or individual? Okay, no, those are individual, like they have rounded edges, it looks like. Adventure, best day ever, make it happen, do your thing, just begin, chase your dreams. Hello new day, make it count, best day ever, happy day, so much fun and what a day. Very nice. It's almost like a hollow foil. Maybe that's why these ones are sticking out so much to me, because it's more of a hollow foil rather than just a silver. Yeah, I think that's what it is. It's a hollow foil. And I hollow like foil my own stickers, and these are just really well done. Obviously, I mean, she's probably like a million upon $1 million company is my guess. So she has high quality products, like, or a way to get really high quality foil, but wow, this is just really beautiful foil. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Yeah, this is hollow foil, and it is, I mean, can you? It's so pretty. Like, just look at that. It's so pretty. Sorry, I'm staying way too long in these stickers, but it's very beautiful. Ooh, I'm excited what's down there. Okay, so now we just have a really fun pineapple notepad. Let's take this out. Is it, oh wait, which, oh, it's from the top. Do you see that? So rather than what I would have thought would be this way, you go from this way, which is pretty nifty. It's kind of a unique way to do it, because I would write from this way. So I don't know, that's kind of fun actually that it goes that way, but all the pages are the same color, but I like it. I like the color. That's nice. So, you know, pretty standard, or like straightforward, you know, but I like that. Okay. And I think this is the last item. Okay, so when I first saw it, I thought it was going to be more of like a hardbound, but it's not, but that's okay. I like that it's foiled. And let's see. Ooh, look at the back. So this is a Jot Your Thought lined 80 pages. Be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. Oh, and that's foiled too, so that's really nice. So this is just a notebook where it's, you know, in the center, seamed. But I love this foiling design on the back. That is beautiful. So that's really nice. I do like that. That's a unique, I hope this is an exclusive just because it makes it a little bit more special with the foiling and the design. So I like that. Okay, I think that's everything. Let's see here. Yep, okay, so let's move the box aside, this beautiful box. All right, so let's move all these items in frame here. And let's see, is this gonna be everything? I think so. So let's see here now. Okay, so let's see what's in here. The first thing we have is the exclusive iridescent sticker sheet 2-pack, which is right here. And that is supposedly a $6 value. Exclusive, like I said. The next thing, which is a sneak peek, is the turquoise EC tumbler, which is a $10 value. So this will supposedly be available in a future, in the future on the website. This will be available for purchase. Exclusive, the sunglasses case with cleaning cloth. So this is unique to us, a $15 value. Okay, so this is an exclusive, which I think is kind of special. The metallic gold Jot Your Thought journal. The second sneak peek is the neon dual tip marker 3-pack. So this also will be available in the future. This is an $8 value. Oh, I didn't say this is a $9 value. An exclusive is the pineapple notepad. This is a $6 value. And the last exclusive is the set of 3 elastic hair ties, which is a $7 value. And all in a reversible box that you can turn inside out and use again, which is one of the unique things about Erin Condren boxes, and is always very nice. And that's why even the outside is beautiful, but having that beautiful quote on the inside is a really beautiful thing, because if in shipping and stuff it gets dirty or damaged, you can always turn it inside out and have the beautiful quote on the outside and use it for anything you might want to. Yeah, so I guess that is the surprise box. What are my thoughts? I'd say this is pretty good. I think my biggest disappointment was this, and not because I don't like the case. I guess it's because I honestly thought I was going to see sunglasses in here. So it was kind of like a letdown, because it just screamed like, oh, there should be sunglasses in here. So not that the item itself is not very nice, because it's a very, very stunning sunglasses case. And I love the foiled Hello Sunshine. It's very beautiful, and it's like fitting for, you know, having sunglasses in here. But yeah, I guess I just honestly feel like I should have seen sunglasses in here. I'm curious to see if anyone else during their unboxings have the same reaction as I did, or maybe I'll be the only one. So that's my thought on this. Even though it's by itself, it is a nice case. I really like the tumbler because I use tumblers a lot, and ones like this that are just plastic and stuff, they do tend to like break or crack just if I accidentally drop them or hit them or something. And so it's nice to have extras or to have some at work or something. So that's very nice. I love the stickers. These are just beautifully foiled with this holographic foil. The markers are okay. Honestly, I guess, I'm not a huge fan of the colors, but maybe that's just because I don't use like highlighter colors that frequently. And I'm assuming they're highlighters just because of how neon they are, but maybe I'm wrong. But they're not a bad product by any means. Like if someone's in school or something, I can see these being very, very useful, and I like that they're dual tipped. But just for me personally, I don't see myself using them very frequently, but I do think they're very nice. And I like the look of them, so they're not bad. They're just not necessarily for me. The hair bands are also nice. I am very particular with my hair bands, but I do like the look of these, and I think they're very nice. So, and I mean, these kinds of hair ties I've seen very frequently, and so I definitely don't think she can go wrong with this style, so this is fine. I like the notepad because you can always have a notepad hanging around your house or your office, so that's not a problem. And I really do adore this because it's beautiful. Purple is one of my absolute favorite colors besides blue. Blue and purple are probably my two top favorites, especially the shade. It's a very beautiful like hue of purple. And the foil, as I've mentioned before, gold is my like least favorite color, but on this it really matches very lovely, and I actually really do like it a lot, and you can never go wrong with notebooks. I kind of hoard notebooks, so this is a very nice item. So yeah, I guess overall out of 10 I'd maybe give this maybe like an 8 out of 10, which I think is a very reasonable score for the price. I always think it's like worth it for, I believe it was $35 and free shipping. So yeah, this is the box, and I'd say it's worth it. You know, if you guys are interested, I recommend you checking out the Erin Condren website and keeping posted for the next seasonal surprise box. Obviously it won't be out for a little bit, but you know, follow her on Instagram and check back on the website as it gets close to the next season, and try and get the next one before it gets sold out, because it's usually very worth it. So I'm very excited about this box, and I can't wait to put some of these items to use. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.